Alright, so to make this project look a little more realistic, we are going to use these images of each of these planets, including the sun, the GIF images. So we want these images to show the spinning motion of each of these planets around its own axis. Like you can see here, the sun is spinning around its own axis. Same is the case with Jupiter, Mars, Venus, Uranus, and all of those. So let's first see how do we do that. What I did was I simply downloaded the GIF images of each of these planets and the sun. So I made sure that I download this image in the form of a GIF. Okay, so students can select any of these GIF images that they would like. I have already downloaded it. Not this one. Of course, we'll have to look for few images, and we will select only the GIF image that will show the spinning motion of the sun along its own axis, as if the ball is spinning when a line is drawn at the center of it. Okay, so I've already downloaded it. Then I can come to this unscreen.com/upload website. This is specifically to remove the backgrounds from a video or a GIF image. So I'm gonna upload the file that I've already downloaded, the GIF image. I have downloaded the Earth as well as the Sun. So I'm gonna pick the Sun to begin with, and I'm gonna click on this open option, which will upload the GIF image of the Sun, and it's slowly converting that image to this one. Now I have the same GIF image with its background being removed. Then I can continue to simply download this modified image, and student has to find out the location where the files have been downloaded. So sometimes they get downloaded to the desktop, or sometimes they are in the section of your computer where it says downloads. So what I'm going to do next is I'm going to come to the Scratch project. I'm going to get inside this costume, and I don't need this anymore. Instead, I'm going to upload the GIF image of the sun which I've downloaded. So it is in the download section of my computer. Here the name has been changed to the sun unscreen. So this is the one which is without the background. Okay, so I'm gonna select that GIF image, and the moment I upload it, I find that the same GIF image has been converted into several costumes. Okay, so these costumes are basically a form of animations. When you flip these images as costumes, with the frames per second, then you will get an illusion of the spinning sun. Similarly, you can continue to upload the rest of the planets. Make sure that you get a GIF so that it looks a little bit realistic when it spins around itself while orbiting the sun. And do not forget to remove the backgrounds using this link, because later on we'll be adding a starry background, a star night background for our project. So that's when we want uh, these images to not conflict with each other. So it's better that the images have a clean background.